61st game of the Indian Premier League, and it was a battle for survival for the Lucknow Super Giants, and they were up against the Sunrisers Hyderabad at the Ekana Stadium. Nothing to lose for the SRH side as they have already been eliminated from this tournament, but all that they wanted to do was to prove a point today and show everyone that why were they the runners-up of the previous edition. Like always in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the key highlights of the 61st game of the Indian Premier League. The two captains in Pat Cummins and Rishabh Pant were there at the centre for the toss, and it was Pat Cummins who won the toss and elected to bowl first, calling in the Lucknow Super Giants to come out and bat on a wicket that was looking pretty good to bat on. The wicket was good to bat on, and that's exactly how the two Lucknow Super Giants openers started. Aiden Markram and Mitchell Marsh started off from where they had left before the IPL went into a short break. Both of them were in tremendous form. They had been scoring lots of runs for the Lucknow Super Giants top of the order, and that's exactly how they started today. Attacking the bowlers of Sunrisers Hyderabad, realizing that this is a good wicket to bat on and they'll need a mammoth total if they want to be victorious at this end of the game. Both of them reached to their half centuries, both scoring runs in excess of 60 each, making sure that the team is on a great platform, and then the middle order and the finishers can come in and take the team's total in excess of 200. The two got out, and with them so did Rishabh Pant, and the torrid run for Pant this season has continued. Despite that 10-day gap between the IPL, nothing's really changed for Rishabh Pant as far as his batting form is concerned. The openers fell. Rishabh Pant promoted himself at number 3, but really wasn't able to leave an impact. Got out of a brilliant catch of the bowling of Ishan Malinga. He or himself taking that catch as well. Was a little unlucky, Rishabh Pant, as far as his catch was concerned, but this is how the season has been for the captain of the Lucknow Super Giants. But then moving ahead, Nicholas Pooran decided to take things into his hands. He's been the backbone of the batting of the Lucknow Super Giants. He gave those late blitz because the total of the Lucknow Super Giants was derailed for a bit. But Nicholas Pooran made sure that he at least takes the team to 200 at a total that was looking to go in excess of 200. Wickets in a regular succession in between in the form of Ayush Badoni, Abdul Samad. That is why they were not able to go ahead of 200. Wickets fell in the last over of the bowling of Nitish Kumar Reddy, but Akashdeep Singh giving that final blow on the last ball, hitting a 6, and because of that the Lucknow Super Giants reached to a total of 205. 65 and 61 from Marsh and Markram respectively, 45 from Nicholas Pooran, and no other contribution from anybody in that batting order. The task was cut out for an out of form Sunrisers Hyderabad batting lineup. They knew 206 was on the board. It looked like a par total. It looked like that Lucknow Super Giants have gotten enough on the board, keeping in mind that the SRH batting hasn't been in great form. No Travis Head today because he was out due to COVID. Atharva Taide came in as a replacement for him. Unfortunately, 13 runs is all that he could get. But Abhishek Sharma later revealed that both of them had decided to go after the bowlers as 200 was required. And that's exactly the approach that was taken by Ishan Kishan and Abhishek Sharma. Both of them absolutely taking the bowlers to the onslaught. In specific, it was Abhishek Sharma reaching to another half century this season. A great but it's not been the great season for him, but the knocks that he has played, he's definitely ran away with the game, be it the 145 he got against Punjab or today the knock that he played of 59, absolutely decimating the opponents, setting the platform for the Sunrisers Hyderabad to register their 4th win. Abhishek Sharma then had to depart off the bowling of Digvesh Rathi. A little bit of a misunderstanding or a heated argument. I'll be doing a separate video on that as well, so do check that out as well about what exactly panned out over there. But Abhishek Sharma got out, Digvesh Rathi got rid of him, and then things sort of looked like that maybe the Sunrisers Hyderabad might just slip up from here, but that wasn't the case because after that it was Henrik Klassen with Ishan Kishan who continued to play those shots, making sure that the team goes over the line. Kamindu Mendes, after Ishan Kishan got out, it was Kamindu Mendes who made sure that the team goes over the line and the team wins as well. Ishan Kishan fell, Ishan Kishan had to get out, and then, like I mentioned, Kamindu Mendes with Klaasen made sure that the job is done for the team. Both of them almost stealing the deal for the team, and this was the moment when Sunrise Hyderabad not just registered their 4th win of the tournament, but also made sure that the Lucknow Super Giants are knocked out of this year's Indian Premier League. They were the only 3rd team to stay in the race for the playoffs, but now it's just the 2 teams. I'll be talking about the points table as well, so watch the video till the end. Before that, the scorecard this is how the scorecard looked for the Sunrise Hyderabad. No big contribution apart from Abhishek Sharma. 59 runs is what he got, 47 from Henrik Klaasen, 35 from Ishan Kishan, and they managed to win the game in just 18 overs. What has this done to the points table? That is now very, very interesting. It was Lucknow Super Giants who had an outside chance to qualify, but now maximum they can get to will be 12 points, whereas Delhi and Mumbai are already ahead of them. And because of that, the game between the Delhi Capitals and the Mumbai Indians on the 21st of May, that's Wednesday, will be a virtual quarterfinal. Whoever wins will sort of just go into the playoffs as far as the top 4 of this tournament is concerned. It's getting really, really interesting. The IPL, after such a long time, after a few months, a break in between, is finally reaching to its end. The playoffs are just a week away. Lots of more coming your way. So stay tuned on Sports Today. If you haven't subscribed till now, do not forget to press the subscribe button. Like this video, share it with your friends, and press the bell icon so that as soon as we are live or there's any interesting content coming your way, you guys come to know first.